how to log into Telegram without a phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can log into your Telegram account without phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you have to understand that Telegram is a number-based application. It only works if you have a real and valid number that is sending and receiving messages and calls. So it's just like WhatsApp, Viber, or any of the other applications. It doesn't function with email and username. It functions with your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you have to verify the OTP code, and then you should be able to log into Telegram. So for this, just go ahead and launch Telegram over here. Once you launch Telegram, type on start messaging button. So basically you can see my country is selected and my phone number is selected because I had already saved it. So if you're talking about how you can log into Telegram without phone number, that's simply not possible. It's just like you're talking how you can keep money in your bank account without having a bank account. That's simply not possible, and it is a phone number based. It doesn't work in email and username. So hope you understand this. So after you have your phone number though, you can just go ahead and enter them over here. Allow Telegram for any types of calls and messages, and once I've done that, it allows me to go ahead and then verify the OTP code. In this case, in most of the cases, if your phone supports it, it's going to automatically verify it. Then after that, it will ask you to enter your profile name and information, and then you should be able to log in or sign up for a new account. But without phone number, logging into Telegram is not possible. Telegram is a phone number application. Hope this video cleared your confusion. If it did help clear your confusion, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.